What I'm about to show you is massive news for YouTubers that use WordPress. And I'm not talking about the video that's playing. If you scroll down, you will now see products can be pulled through from your WooCommerce store. Now, for those of you that know about YouTubing, you could bring through products, but they were from Shopify or from other websites. And I know some influencers, content creators that were having to create a separate Shopify store. But what if you've already got products inside of your WordPress website using WooCommerce? You can now pull them through. You do have to use an additional plugin, which is Google for WooCommerce. This has been out for a while, but now, once you've got this installed on your website, and you do have to make sure you've got a Google AdSense account, and if you're a YouTuber, you should already probably have that set up. You just make sure you're sticking the correct ID, and it's really simple and easy to do. And then you go and select your products. Now, one thing I do want to point out, I have found that the images they pull through to show on here aren't the greatest. So I went and changed it 2 days ago. It can take a few days, within 24 to 48 hours, before the correct image comes through. But the idea is that if you go and click that, it will then take them over to your particular product or your website. And you get to choose what products you want to show. I'm telling you now, for those of us that use WordPress and WooCommerce, I did not like the idea of going to have to set up a Shopify website. Then you have to set up a redirect, because then you want to make sure the Shopify product redirects to your WordPress website. It's just such a hassle. But now, it will pull it through. And here's the really good bit. If you don't want to show all of the products, maybe you've got 20 products and you're going to show 4 or 5, you can actually say for this particular video, only show this product. So you can be really, really selective. So you might mention something in your video and say the product is below and people know what they need to go and get. This streamlines your products on your WooCommerce website back over to your YouTube channel. And it's a free plugin as well. I'm Imran from Squadron. Hope you like, subscribe, share, and follow. Take care. See you soon. Bye.